What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car B's back with a POV, as y'all can see, with the cows in the back. You know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting the video off a little different, man. We finna go into the store right quick, cuz I need to get some. Huh? Oh yeah, you too, bro. Oh yeah, for sure. Appreciate it. Oh, boy. Yeah, car crew, man. We finna, I need to go in here and get some toupee, you know what I'm saying? That's something y'all niggas don't never get. That toupee, nigga. Nigga might be hot as fire. Walking around that bitch smelling like, ooh, wee, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's my first time ever talking to bro. Appreciate it, love. He said congratulations. I don't know what he said congratulations for. Not gonna lie. Cause I don't know what he know, cause I ain't put too much on the internet. But appreciate you, my boy. What y'all boy go with? My boy, let me know what y'all go with. I'm trying to just get something smooth, you know. I usually get this, you feel me, putting y'all boys on game. Either one of them, but that black one hard. Why they want 35 cents more than you? Like, cause of the flavor, nigga? Crazy. Hey, y'all boy, make sure y'all boy brush y'all teeth, man. Know y'all boy Bobby smelling like doo-doo, nigga. We're finna get there right here, and we're gonna get back to the video. Bad security, ugly. Yeah, car crew, I don't even know if I locked my door. I don't even know if I locked my door. I think I did. I'm tripping. Look at this nigga. Cuz said he want me to hit the gas. Cuz told me he want me to hit the gas, man. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video, car crew, man. I started off a little different just to get y'all boy attention, you know what I'm saying? For y'all that do watch throughout the video, you know what I'm saying? Bad security got a little, you feel me? This y'all boy gonna go on a little errand run with me. Trying to figure out what I want to eat, because that's what I got at the house for. But I need some toupee, too, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy get your toupee, man. You know y'all boy just be walking outside and rinse your mouth out with some water and think that's all you need. And your tongue be white as snow, man. Brush your tongue, nigga. Brush your tongue. You know what I'm saying? But we in that coastal mode today, man. Sun's slight. Nothing too crazy. Turn my DRLs on. Just cause overcast today. You know what I'm saying? Put a little steady, but there's so much steam coming off the ground, like evaporation or whatever, cause like, well, there's a lot going on. Roll my window down, you know what I mean? Cuz want me to hit the gas, 12 cent right there. You know what I'm saying? Nigga probably off duty, cause what you at the store for, nigga? Just seen hot potato face out. But yeah, car crew, man, how y'all boy feeling, man? Today, man, we back with another one. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all boy finna get back consistent, you know what I'm saying? Get back consistent, man. Just post what I post, whatever come to my mind. You know what I'm saying? If I feel something on my mind to record it, even if it sometimes don't make sense, like nah. It don't make sense. And I got my water, you feel me? I'm on my little water. My small water journey, water fast right now. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get why the camera look so bright, cuz? But feel me, water. I ain't get this out the store. I got it from the crib. But yeah, man, might do it, hold on. You know what I'm saying? Nigga might do a POV called drinking water. I don't know what they're gonna be, you feel me? But y'all boy just stay tuned. I'm gonna hit the gas, stick them, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Hit the gas for bro one time. He want me to hit that bit. You feel me? Got these cars coming this way. It's wet outside, bro. I'm supposed to be sliding right now, really, to be honest. If we want to be truthful, man. If we want to keep it a bean, ugly ass. Nigga, you love saying that in high school. Man, keep it a bean, cuz keep it a buck. Stick 'em. Ooh, I don't know why that mud shifted like that. Cause I pressed it against the caulk, you know what I'm saying? I just really got right. Why? Damn, the road got dry right here, but the road wet back there. I don't know. Olivia sounds so good though. Hopefully that wind ain't too bad, y'all, boy. But you know what I'm saying? Olivia just sound too good, cuz. But we're gonna do a little night little, feel me? That little POV, man. So like, why I feel like my camera more zoomed in than what it used to be. That update must have did something. I ain't updated my phone yet, but the last one I did. Like my phone be making me update when I be asleep, bro. I don't even be. I be telling that bitch no. That bitch still do it. Man, but only if I had that wine with that motherfucker, you know what I mean? But yeah, man. Yeah, man. I don't really got too much to say right now. Y'all boys just enjoy me driving, you feel me? You know, comment down below, you know what I'm saying? How you feeling today? Like, you know what I'm saying? The comment section for y'all boy like to talk, you feel me? Like, I know it's a comment section, but at the same time, bro, you can have a conversation with me, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? Just talk, bro, what's going on? How you feeling? What you like about the video? What you like about the wheel? You know what I'm saying? What you want to see with the wheel? What you want to see on the channel? Like, who you want to see me do video with? You feel me? Stuff can happen if y'all boy wanted to happen, but I ain't gonna just sit here and do stuff that I feel like I'm wasting my time. You know what I mean? I'm always only do what I think good or what I think that's all right for right now, or what only I can do for the time being. Hold on, downshift, 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 downshift. Come on. Sticker. Let me chill out. Sometimes them boys be right here too. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get in the clip before I start doing all that. Bro, I just got an alignment, bro. Like not too long ago. I be feeling like I guess it'd be the road, cause when it's a flat road, bro, it's straight. You know what I mean? Like, if y'all can see, hold on, not the road, hold on, let me get straight. Well, like, you feel me? I feel like when I be putting that motherfucking track, the steering wheel and the track be tripping, but it's straight right now. I don't get it. Steering wheel flat, it's centered. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I remember how I was before that mother like this. But it's straight now, though. Man, there go them boy. There go them boy. Ooh, he got his window down. Look at him. He probably like, look at that nigga. He probably like, look at that nigga. Look at him. Look at his at. Ooh, don't hurt me, cuh. I'm just a civilian. I'm just a civilian, cuh. He gonna leave first anyway, though. He in turn lane. But your car cool, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, what I told you. Look at him. And he the other side. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man. I lost my train of thought. I did lose my train of thought. I gotta start doing that, bro. My arm getting tired. I gotta figure something out, bro. Let me know if y'all boy want a hand-free POV too. You know what I'm saying? On the head mount with it. You feel me? Y'all boy want one of them. Y'all boy just let me know. Oh, slow your rope. Hold your horses, good. Golly. Hold your horses, Olivia. We're gonna see how we enter. Show y'all boy how to get on the highway, cuz. Oh, man. Simple, nigga. Get on that mud P, nigga. Get on that mud P, nigga. Oh, man. You know what I'm saying? Real smooth, calm, and collected. That's how y'all boy gotta get on the highway, man. Y'all boy be getting on the highway wrong. You know what I'm saying? Super slow. You feel me? Nigga gotta get over. Niggas ain't have to get over, nigga. You get in where you fit in. You know what I'm saying? Wise word from your boy, man. Get in where you fit in, cuz. I don't even know what I wanted to eat, bro. I was thinking about Burger King. I ain't had in a long time. You feel me? But I don't even know, man. Should go Chinese. You know what I'm saying? Boy, my y'all. Xing shang chao. Ugly. Look at the sky. The sky's so dark. Mm-hmm. Come on, give me another one. Ooh. Downshift down the edge around. If I had traction off, I hit that bit. Oh, hold on now. Slow your roll, cuz. Slow your roll. love going under the bridge, bro. I wish we just had like that on the whole road for like 45 miles, you know what I mean? Non-stop, just damn, that why about it hard. It ain't harder than mine, though. I ain't got no why about it, you know what I mean? Bro, I wish I can hear the echo, how this be echoing like out there, like it don't make it there. Why my camera feel like it's so zoomed in, bro? I'm finna get blowed. Every time I look down at them, bro, I feel like I'm like this. I'm trying not to be like that, bro. I don't know why that John doing that. That John really finna blow me. Man, look at that. My cuz over there slumped on the bench. Like he off of that dough. Over that real dough. But I hope bro straight though. But he was slumped in sleep like he was off that dough. I ain't talking about that good dough either, that bad dough. But that mother's so torquey, boy, and I'm only in third gear. I can't even pat that bit like I want to. Goodness gracious, all of the nations, everybody get here, make a celebration. How Bomb and D-Lo be rapping. And nigga be sliding on the beat, and nigga be like, I can't even think of nothing. That nigga be saying some junk that be like the build up to the delivery be crazy. Woke up this morning, really was hungry. Had to find something to eat. All the nigga ate was bologna. Riding down the street, nigga, my car all black. Back in third grade, all they used to say that I was fat. Try to play football, nigga couldn't make it. Used to come to school on Friday just to get some bacon. But hell no. That's how cuz be though. That jump do be hard though at the same time. And like he the only one who made that flow, so now like it's easy to do it. That's an easy flow, bro. Like no cap. Riding in the Scatpack, 180 on the dam. Most of the time when I go home, sometimes I take a bath.
Boy, if you don't get
They don't even rhyme, yeah. But it's just funny. Give me another. Damn. There's a scat over there with white light. That's why I had to take my white lights out, bro. Nigga be one of them. Matter of fact, there ain't even no scat. My bad. Excuse me, brother. Him, dog. Hamilton. But yeah, man. Nice little POV drive, man. Something slight, nothing too crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy went to the store with a nigga, ran a little errand right quick. Then, you know what I'm saying? Had to give y'all boys a little 1-2. Damn. See, my car be tripping. I didn't even know it was going to one. Now I got a sticky icky for licky bicky sticky icky ickle. Had to stick him because I ain't even trying to. I don't need downshift the first gear no more because it's too jumpy. I don't know what I did in my car with all that other stuff, but them are too jumpy. Look at them boy. Yeah. Bro, the echo is crazy. Now listen. I like my boy, ain't it? Oh, my boy right there. He act like he didn't even see my ass. He probably thought I was 12. I should turn around. But I don't know where he going. I ain't that type of nigga. Nigga be bussing. busting U-turns and junk and all that. Just to be like, what's up, nigga? Even though I ain't got nowhere to go, but I do at the same time. But yeah, car crew, man, that gonna be a wrap, man. You know what I'm saying? This video long enough, you feel me? But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video yet. Still, whatever it be. Ooh, GT350, is it? What? Hell no. Man, just got my neck so bad. Ugly ass stripe. But anyway, my fault. I'm sorry. But yeah, man. I don't know what the video gonna be called, but y'all boys just tune in, man. You feel me? Whatever I call it, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for all the real ones that stay all the way to this part of the video, bro. I love y'all boy, no homo, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy be the real one, making it this far in the video, man. You a real one, you know what I'm saying? God gonna bless you. But anyway, also, man, like I also say, man, follow my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up, man, and everything that you do. Trust him, man, you know what I'm saying? Be obedient the best way you can be. You know what I'm saying? Be obedient, man. Try to have that discipline, have that open ear for him, bro. You know what I'm saying? You'll know when he's talking to you. It be that gut feeling most of the time, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just follow my religion for keep God first, keep him in the midst, man, everything that you do. But also, man, like I say, for all the rest of my people, man, I'm tripping. Like I say in all the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.